The last message. Every night at 11:47 p.m., Ria's phone would vibrate. The message was always the same. Did you eat? No name, no profile picture, no last seen. Yet, if that message didn't arrive, Ria couldn't sleep. 3 years ago, Ria lost her father in an accident. That night, sitting outside the hospital, crying with her phone in her hand, she had typed in her notes, "I wish someone would ask if I've eaten." The very next day, the first message came from an unknown number. At first, she was scared, but then the messages continued every day. Don't skip meals. You're stronger than you think. Crying doesn't make you weak. Ria never replied, but every word slowly healed something inside her. One day, she finally gathered the courage and typed, "Who are you?" 3 dots appeared, then disappeared. After a long pause, one reply came. Someone who once wished the same. Time passed. Ria started moving forward with her life. She smiled again. She made friends again. Then, one night, 11:47 p.m. passed. No vibration, no message. For the first time. Ria messaged back, "Did you eat?" Message delivered. No reply, no scene. The next day, the news came. A man who ran an NGO, someone who spent his nights helping strangers, had died in a road accident. His phone still had one last scheduled message. Did you eat? That night, Ria understood. Some people enter our lives just to remind us why we should keep living and then quietly leave. At 11:47 p.m., Ria ate her meal. And for the first time, she asked herself, "Did I choose to live today?" The answer was yes.